Hi, Ilakya. Princey, Alice, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So you are all practicing very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very nice.
Sir,
Yes.
one small doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me, what is your doubt?
English tense இருக்குல்ல சார்
ஆமா.
tense start
ஆ,
அது மாதிரி ஹிந்திலயும் tense start இருக்கா சார்?
அது பார்க்கணுமே, எனக்கு தெரியாது, ஞாபகம் வரல. நான் பார்க்குறேன், எங்கேயாவது கிடைக்குதான்னு, ஷார்ட் கிடைக்குதான்னு. சரியா?
அது கொடுத்தா ஈஸியா இருக்கும் சார் ஹோம்வொர்க் எழுதுறதுக்கு.
சரி, ஓகே ஓகே, ஐ வில் ட்ரை. டுமாரோ, நாளைக்கு வந்து ஐ வில் ட்ரை டு ப்ரொவைட் a chart.
Thank you, sir.
ஓகே, வெல்கம் வெல்கம். நாளைக்கு வந்து ஐ வில் ட்ரை ரெடிமேட், இல்லைன்னா ஐ வில் மேக் இட் அண்ட் தென் போஸ்ட் இட் எவ்ரிபடி. சரியா? ம். So, Jinashri, how are you? Jinashri is there, Monish, Nandini, Ovia, Princey, Sai Sandhya.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Alice. Neil Jonathan, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Very good. So you are also very regular in your homework. Very nice.
Okay,
Beautifully, beautifully written.
Yes, sir.
Yuvashri and Jayavarshini. Okay, they are sisters. Sendil is there. Radha Mani Vichi is there. Selva Darshan has joined. So Monish, what is the time there? Your local time? Monish? Monish, you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Hi, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, Jinashri, nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Monish, what is the local time there?
afternoon, sir.
It's 11:30.
11:30 in the morning. Okay. So they are also lockdown is there?
Yeah, lightly
Lockdown.
they're easing.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is your school timing?
8:50 to 4.
Okay.
5.
8:50 to 4, almost full day.
Yeah.
Okay. And now it is a lockdown time or holiday?
Yeah.
Holiday, sir.
Yes. Yes, Jinashri.
Yes.
हम सब बच्चे हैं नादान, दो हमको ऐसा वरदान। हम सब बच्चे हैं नादान, बच्चे हैं नादान, दो हमको ऐसा वरदान। हम सब बच्चे हैं नादान, दो हमको ऐसा वरदान। संकट कोई देश पर आए, करे सामना सीना तान। संकट कोई देश पर आए, करे सामना सीना तान। मानवता का पाठ पढ़े हम, दो ऐसे विद्या का दान। हम सब बच्चे हैं नादान, दो हमको ऐसा वरदान। हम सब बच्चे हैं नादान, दो हमको ऐसा वरदान।
देश मेरे देश, देश मेरे देश,
देश मेरे देश तेरा कितना प्यारा नाम है।
कितना प्यारा नाम है, कितना प्यारा नाम है।
हमें गर्व है तुझ पर, तेरे झंडे को सलाम है।
झंडे को सलाम है, झंडे को सलाम है।
देश मेरे देश तेरा कितना प्यारा नाम है। हमें गर्व है तुझ पर, तेरे झंडे को सलाम है। तीन रंग से सजा तिरंगा, सफेद हरा और केसरिया। तीन रंग से सजा तिरंगा, सफेद हरा और केसरिया। सफेद सच्चाई, हरा खुशहाली, केसरिया बलिदान है।
देश मेरे देश तेरा कितना प्यारा नाम है। हमें गर्व है तुझ पर, तेरे झंडे को सलाम है।
अनेकता में एकता है,
एकता में एकता है,
भारत की विशेषता है।
भारत की विशेषता है।
अनेकता में एकता है, भारत की विशेषता है। सुबह यहाँ की सदा नहीं है, यहाँ नहीं हर शाम है।
देश मेरे देश तेरा कितना प्यारा नाम है। हमें गर्व है तुझ पर, तेरे झंडे को सलाम है। देश मेरे देश तेरा कितना प्यारा नाम है। हमें गर्व है तुझ पर, तेरे झंडे को सलाम है। झंडे को सलाम है, झंडे को सलाम है।
Just wait for a minute. Yes, we will start the class now. Okay. How did you like the songs? Two small songs. You all liked? Prayer and patriotic song. Nice. Okay, good. Now 34 are there. So all of you are welcome to 12th day, day 12, 17th June, Wednesday, to the class. And some of the songs we were hearing, some more songs are there, still there. So we'll revise once again, present tense, simple. Yesterday also we have revised, today also we are revising. Mai aata hu, I come. Mai aa raha hu, I am coming. मैं आऊंगा, I will come. So same way, तुम आते हो, वह आता है, वे आते हैं. Okay, you all would have already written. Based on that, you can revise. Then future tense for boys, मैं पढ़ूंगा, तुम पढ़ोगे, वह पढ़ेगा, वे पढ़ेंगे. Okay. मैं पढ़ूंगा, तुम पढ़ोगे, वह पढ़ेगा, वे पढ़ेंगे. I will read, you will read, he will read, they will read. நான் படிப்பேன், நீ படிப்பாய், அவன் படிப்பான், அவர்கள் படிப்பார்கள். For girls, it will become मैं पढ़ूंगी, तुम पढ़ोगी, वह पढ़ेगी, वे पढ़ेंगी. Now sentences, some videos I have, we will see those videos now for some of the sentences. This is a continuation video of yesterday.
अच्छा समय गुजारा?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा। मैंने बहुत मजे किए और बहुत सारी नई बातें भी सीखी।
क्या तुमने बहुत अच्छा समय गुजारा?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा। मैंने बहुत मजे किए और बहुत सारी नई बातें भी सीखी।
चलो, अब कोयम्बतूर की ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए हमें रेलवे स्टेशन निकलना होगा। अरुण, राजू, क्या तुम अपने भाई को अलविदा करने के लिए हमारे साथ नहीं चलोगे?
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
मैं अपनी कार को सही जगह पर रख के आता हूं, आप लोग यहीं रुकिए। चलो राजू, हम अपने लिए प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट खरीदते हैं। तुम्हारे चाचा जी को छोड़ने के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाने के लिए इस टिकट की जरूरत होगी।
चलो, पहले हम अपना आरक्षण जांच ले। हमारा डिब्बा नंबर है A1। चलो, सब ठीक है। हम डिब्बे के अंदर जाते हैं। हमारे सीट नंबर है 7, 8 और 9।
अब बहुत देर हो रही है अरुण, अब हमें निकलना चाहिए।
हाँ, तुम सभी के लिए शुभ रात्रि और धन्यवाद।
अच्छा अरुण चाचा, अगली बार आप जब आएंगे तब हमारे साथ बहुत सारे दिन बिताइए। मैं राजीव के साथ खेलना चाहता हूँ।
हम राजीव की गर्मियों की छुट्टी में आएंगे और पूरा हफ्ता तुम्हारे साथ रहेंगे।
ओह, लगभग 10 बज चुके हैं राजू। तुम्हारा रोज का सोने का समय तो बीत गया।
हाँ माँ, अब मैं बहुत थक भी चुका हूँ, लेकिन आज का दिन बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। मैं एक ही दिन में कभी भी इतनी जगहों पर नहीं गया था। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया माँ, और शुभ रात्रि।
रेलवे स्टेशन पर हम कुछ ऐसी चीजें देखते हैं। ये प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट है। अगर हमें किसी को छोड़ने या लाने के लिए जाना हो तो प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाने के लिए हमें प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है। ये रेलवे है। कई हजार लोग इस रेलवे से एक साथ सफर कर सकते हैं। ये रेलवे टिकट है। ट्रेन से सफर करने के लिए रेलवे टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है।
मुझे आशा है कि आपने बहुत अच्छा समय बिताया होगा। अच्छा, अब हम जल्दी फिर मिलेंगे।
So what are all the new words or whatever we have learnt during the class? What are the words it was repeated? What are all the video is not clear? Who has written? Yuvashri has written video is not clear. So how many people it is clear? How many people it was clear? How many persons were clear, sir? Clear, clear. Video is clear. I think many are saying video is clear. Couple of people are saying not clear. Okay.
I think due to network issues, I think.
Yeah, it may be a network issue. The bandwidth, if it is not proper, if the internet connection is sometimes weak, then the video and audio quality may not be good. So I will do one thing. I can show you once again. Okay, try that. And many are saying video is clear. And this time you note down what are all the words which we have learned in our class. Those words are used in that video. What are all the tenses used, where present tense was used, where future tense was used, and which are all those words which we have learned in the class. Okay, if new words, even if you don't pick up, I have no problem. But whatever we have taught in the class or we have learned in the class, if you are able to pick up those words and then write down, then post it in the group, the chat box, it will be well and good. So that I will know that you are able to catch those words, because this video is very slowly spoken and very clearly spoken. Okay, shall I show it again? It's a small video, so I'll show it again.
तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कैसा रहा? क्या तुमने बहुत अच्छा समय गुजारा?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा। मैंने बहुत मजे किए और बहुत सारी नई बातें भी सीखी।
चलो, अब कोयम्बतूर की ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए हमें रेलवे स्टेशन निकलना होगा। अरुण, राजू, क्या तुम अपने भाई को अलविदा करने के लिए हमारे साथ नहीं चलोगे?
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
मैं अपनी कार को सही जगह पर रख के आता हूं। आप लोग यहीं रुकिए। चलो राजू, हम अपने लिए प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट खरीदते हैं। तुम्हारे चाचा जी को छोड़ने के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाने के लिए इस टिकट की जरूरत होगी।
चलो, पहले हम अपना आरक्षण जांच ले। हमारा डिब्बा नंबर है A1। चलो, सब ठीक है। हम डिब्बे के अंदर जाते हैं। हमारे सीट नंबर है 7, 8 और 9।
अब बहुत देर हो रही है अरुण, अब हमें निकलना चाहिए।
हाँ, तुम सभी के लिए शुभ रात्रि और धन्यवाद।
अच्छा अरुण चाचा, अगली बार आप जब आएंगे तब हमारे साथ बहुत सारे दिन बिताइए। मैं राजीव के साथ खेलना चाहता हूँ।
हम राजीव की गर्मियों की छुट्टी में आएंगे और पूरा हफ्ता तुम्हारे साथ रहेंगे।
ओह, लगभग 10 बज चुके हैं राजू। तुम्हारा रोज का सोने का समय तो बीत गया।
हाँ माँ, अब मैं बहुत थक भी चुका हूँ, लेकिन आज का दिन बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। मैं एक ही दिन में कभी भी इतनी जगहों पर नहीं गया था। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया माँ, और शुभ रात्रि।
रेलवे स्टेशन पर हम कुछ ऐसी चीजें देखते हैं। ये प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट है। अगर हमें किसी को छोड़ने या लाने के लिए जाना हो तो प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाने के लिए हमें प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है। ये रेलवे है। कई हजार लोग इस रेलवे से एक साथ सफर कर सकते हैं। ये रेलवे टिकट है। ट्रेन से सफर करने के लिए रेलवे टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है।
मुझे आशा है कि आपने बहुत अच्छा समय बिताया होगा। अच्छा, अब हम जल्दी फिर मिलेंगे।
Yes. What are all the words and sentences? आएंगे, future tense. Very good. 7, 8, 9. Mother. चलो. Yes. चलो is a order word. चलो. तुम चलो. लगेगा, चलेगा, future tense. Correct. चाचा, boy, brother, mom, mother. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Yes. Yes. Which other word?
अनदेखी दुनिया। एक दिन रोहित।
Yes. Which other words we have learnt? शुक्रिया. रुकिए. आप रुकिए. आप रुकिए is not present tense. Somebody is writing. रुकिए is रुको, रुकिए. Order or request. मैं गाड़ी इधर ही छोड़ता हूँ, छोड़ के आता हूँ, आप इधर ही रुकिए. That is a request. Okay. मैं जाता हूँ. अलविदा is goodbye, right? खरीदना, to buy, not bring. Sandhya is written खरीदना. खरीदना is a word. खरीदना, what is the meaning? Is to buy the ticket. Platform ticket खरीदते आते हैं. Okay. Shubhratri, good night. Yes. And any other word? देखते हैं. Also you was telling, right? डिब्बे में जाते हैं. A1 टिकट नंबर है. डिब्बे में जाके देखते हैं. देखते हैं means let us see. खरीदना पड़ता है. Then you will say, uncle, you come again. So you will say, हम आएंगे. गर्मी का छुट्टी का समय पे हम आएंगे. In summer holidays we will come. आएंगे. Future tense. And then रहेंगे. We will stay again. So that is also future tense. Then he will say, मैं खेलना चाहता हूँ. चाहता हूँ also I like. We learnt yesterday. खेलना is to play. That also we have learnt. खेलना चाहता हूँ. Then अंदर जाते हैं. You will say अंदर. चलो रुकिए, आता हूँ. तुम नहीं चलोगे. That also he was asking the question. नहीं चलोगे, चलोगे, नहीं चलोगे. Okay, रुकिए. Yes, stop. Okay, so we will move on. So it's a good learning experience for you through the video. One more video for you.
Teach you what are you doing. Okay, so to ask what are you doing in a different prospect, we're gonna learn now in different gender, different age, different respect. So it's gonna be a little longer. Okay, so first, what are you doing? In the previous video already you learned what means kya, right? Kya तुम क्या कर रहे हो अलीसा बहन? तुम क्या कर रही? Now अलीसा बहन is sister, feminine, right? I'm asking to a girl. That's what कर रही हो. Cute, huh? She's sleeping on couch. I'm sleeping, Anil brother. मैं सो रही हूँ, अनिल भैया और भाई. Both is same, like brother. Bhai is actually literally, if you go bhai means younger. This word came from the vrata of Sanskrit. Okay, so vrata means brother in Sanskrit. So bhai and bhaiya than us. So, but these days nothing works. So you can say anything to anybody. Okay, so any is मैं सो रही हूँ अनिल भाई और मैं सो रही हूँ अनिल भैया. I'm sleeping. Sona. Concentration. Okay, and sona means also the gold. Okay, I hope you understand how to ask the question. I'm asking to a girl, okay, of my age. तुम क्या कर रही हो? Okay, and she is my sister. So मैं सो रही हूँ अनिल भाई भैया. That's how she will answer. See the logic and try to do the exercise in the conversation also, or try to remember properly, try to note things, you know, it will help you. Let's go to the another one. Again, the boy is asking now to me, तुम क्या कर रहे हो अनिल? Let's say we are friends. So तुम क्या कर रहे हो अनिल? Okay. I was teaching in a school, a very poor school, a community school in some village of Nepal. Okay, so I'm teaching kids. मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Remember one thing here? Kids is called बच्चा. Okay, kids are called बच्चे. But here it's oblique form, so it's like बच्चों. Okay, बच्चे means kids. Remember. But here it's बच्चों because oblique form it is. बच्चों को, 2 kids. Okay, बच्चों को. मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. पढ़ाना means to teach. Okay, मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. मैं हिंदी सिखा रहा हूँ. I'm teaching Hindi or I'm making you learn Hindi, you know. So मैं हिंदी पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I can say. सिखाना means to teach something. And सीखना means to learn. So सीखना सिखाना. See the difference. मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning Hindi. मैं हिंदी सिखा रहा हूँ. I am teaching Hindi. मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning Hindi. Remember once again. सीख रहा हूँ. मैं हिंदी सिखा रहा हूँ. That's like I'm teaching Hindi. Okay, like that. There is a form actually. It's a part of the grammar you learn later. Like मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना खिला रहा हूँ. I'm feeding food. I'm eating food. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I'm feeding food. मैं खाना खिला रहा हूँ. मैं किताब लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing a book. मैं किताब लिखा रहा हूँ. I am making someone to write a book. Okay, there. So I will learn those things later. Okay, so मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Very simple. Just understand this. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Simple. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? अनिल के वीडियो से, फ्रॉम अनिल्स वीडियो, हिंदी सीख रहे हो. तुम अनिल के वीडियो से हिंदी सीख रहे हो. You are learning Hindi from Anil's video, right? Let's go to the another one. Oh, that's my nephew, by the way. Like my own. I mean, my brother's son. आप क्या कर रही है दादी माँ? Beautiful things here. And that's my mom. Okay. I cannot shoot in front of my mom probably. Anyways, mom, hello. You're far, but I can be free here. But in front of you, probably only a little more shy. But I'm very much attached with mom. I'm not that much shy. So, आप क्या कर रही है दादी माँ? Here you need to learn. दादी माँ means grandmother. दादी माँ. And rest of the question is same. But you need to focus on one more thing. क्या कर रही है? Now see, there is a kid guy. See the age difference. How age matters in Hindi. That guy who is asking is a kid. Okay, and he is asking this to a grandma who is very, very older than him. So he has to give respect. He has to put honor there while asking the question. So, है, आप क्या कर रही है? Okay, and you also see तुम has been replaced by आप. तुम क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing to the similar age? Now, to the older people, आप क्या कर रही है? Little nasalization. Remember, there is N if you notice. क्या कर रही है? Now she's answering. I'm knitting sweater for you, my dear grandson. Okay, let's go word by word here. Grandson means pota. Okay, pota. You can see there also pota, and pote becomes an oblique form. For you, my grandson, it's like a kind of oblique type, so that's why pote. But you can also say mere pyare pota. We'll go there later. Pota. Simply you can say pota also. Here also you can put pota, but pote sounds little sweet type. Okay. Nothing grammar things here. Okay, like really here doesn't matter the grammar things. So I'm knitting sweater for you, my dear son. First, knitting. To knit we say bunna. Okay, since it is knitting, the continuous form, so it is bun rahi hu, and she is a female, that's a bun rahi hu. If I was knitting, I would say bun raha hu, as I am a male. She is a female, she will say bun rahi hu. Okay, sweater we say sweater only. So my dear grandson, my dear means mere pyare. My dear, he is a kid, a boy kid, a baby boy, so that's why mere pyare. If she is a girl, she will say meri pyari. Pyari for the girl, प्यारे for the boy. Keep these things in mind very carefully, okay? मैं तुम्हारे लिए always. This तुम्हारे लिए phrase, तुम्हारे लिए means for you always. तुम्हारे लिए, for you. ये फोन तुम्हारे लिए है. This phone is for you. ये phone, you already know this is and that is, okay, in the first video. So ये phone, ये means this, phone means phone. तुम्हारे लिए, this phone for you. Simple, right? Let's go to the another one. Oh, my sister, elder than me, and her daughter. Can you imagine? That's her daughter. Both looks kid for me, to be honest. What are you doing, Anil uncle? Now that kid, that little baby, my niece actually, yeah, my niece is asking me, what are you doing, Anil uncle? Now here, uncle, you need to remember, this uncle is not like a normal uncle. Yes, it is normal uncle, but your sister's son or daughter will say you uncle in English, but in Hindi that transfer as a mama, and also Nepali and also in many other languages. Mama, mami, mami for my wife. So mama, okay, this is a maternal uncle, okay. We're learning actually these names too. There are many slides, and every slide is going to give you new words also. Okay, so आप क्या कर रहे हैं Anil Mama? Well, there is a story, to be honest. She bite my finger, and I was shouting, literally, and she was also like, oh, she bite me, and I think I squeezed her hand a little, so she was, and my mom was looking at the camera, I guess. Yeah, that's the same mom, right? I mean, same. I have only one mom, same mom. Yeah, my mom. I think I didn't notice that I'm being picturized. Anyways, so let's go to the sentence now. It's good to talk also sometime, while learning. So it's cool. We're family, right? We all are family, and we like to talk. And this especially guy likes to talk a lot. So I am shouting, my sweet niece. I'm putting these things so that you can learn actually, my sweet niece, because you bite my finger. So let's start from the niece. Niece, we say bhanji. Okay, nephew, if my sister has a son, then that son I will say bhanja. She has a daughter, I will say bhanji. So bhanja, son of the sister bhanja, daughter of the sister bhanji. Bhanja, bhanji. Okay, that kid earlier, baby boy, was my brother's son, so I will say bhatija and bhatiji. We'll talk that later. Bhatija and bhatiji. Bhatija, brother's son. Bhatiji, brother's daughter. Okay, so I'm shouting. To shout is called chillana. Hey, feel the heart, feel the heart. So I'm shouting. Shouting is called chillana, is the verb. Okay, and now chilla is the root form of the verb. So chilla raha hun. Like I'm shouting now, it's in the continuous form. मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ, मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ. One more thing you need to now learn here. I told you like a dear, like my sweet niece, my dear niece. Now this becomes my lovely niece. For all you have to say प्यारी, प्यारे, प्यारी. Remember that time I said my dear grandson. She said मेरे प्यारे. Now she's a female, that is why मेरी प्यारी. See, मेरे प्यारे for the male. मेरी प्यारी for the female. मेरे, मेरी, प्यारे, प्यारी. Simple. It's very logical if you try to understand it. But you just need to practice. Now here is one more word called because. Because we say kyunki. Okay, this new phrase, just keep in mind, okay? Because it's going to repeat in upcoming slides. Because we say kyunki. Kyunki. Kyunki saas bhi kabhi bhoti. That's a very famous TV serial from India. Okay. क्योंकि तुमने मेरी उंगली दांत काट ली. दांत means काट लिया. काटना means to, तो काटना simply means to cut. But दांत काटना means to cut by the teeth. I'm a very gentle, well civilized Anil. Okay. क्योंकि तुमने मेरी उंगली means now finger. Okay? तुमने मेरी उंगली में, it's like you bite on my finger if you translate literally into the English, but I think that doesn't make well translation. So क्योंकि तुमने मेरी उंगली में दांत काट ली, because you bite on my finger, katli. Okay, I hope this lesson was very, very helpful for you. And if there is any more confusion, any doubts from these lessons or for other, or any discussion you want to do with me, any interaction you want to do with me, any questions you have, then please feel free to comment in the comment section below. If you want to send me the personal messages, then also the email is given in the description box below. You can catch me on Facebook, on Twitter, everywhere you can update you the videos. So please, all the links are given in the description box below. And please don't forget to share this video. Share the knowledge. Sharing is caring. Sharing is love. Sharing is very sexy. I read that somewhere anyways. So, namaskar. Because this is only the best place ever you'll find in internet. Sure.
So how did you like the video? Nice. So the boy is very, very, very loving manner is teaching you. Very, very caring, loving. He's showing his family, and I liked it very much. That's why I thought I will share with you. And because many new words are there, you would have found it little difficult, especially small children. Banja, Banji, Batija. So many new words he has introduced. Kyunki, which we have not learnt in the class. But basic thing is kar raha ho. So the present tense, present continuous, that is same thing. So that is why the method of his learning is very sweet method. So I hope all of you enjoyed. So now we'll move on. So now request whatever we have learned. Tum aavo, aap aiye. So he was explaining very clearly that elder people means you have to say with respect. Aap aiye, tum likho, aap likhiye. Similarly, the hain, aap aate hain, we aate hain. The dot, he was putting his finger on the nose and he was telling the nasal sound. Hain, like that the dot. Okay, the dot has to be very clearly visible when you are writing. But in the order and request, that will not come. Only in the present tense it will come. Aap likhiye. Then don't do, just you have to add the word mat. Tum mat jao, aap mat boliye. Tum mat gao, aap mat gaiye. Examples. So now our quiz time. So Ovia, you are able to see, no? Okay, very good. So now we will have 15 words or sentences. Let us do it as quickly as possible. So first, Hindi words for brother, sister, and to like. Okay. First you write for brother. In this current video also we saw brother.
Bye.
You write?
Bye
is correct.
Next is for sister by Begum.
Bahan.
Bahan, sorry.
Bahan.
They were putting
B-A-H-A-N, Bahan.
Okay, for sister is Bahan. So can you
brother is Bai, sister is Bahan.
Can all of them load the mistakes rectify panikonga? It's not Begum.
See, Bahan also colloquially they say Bahan, B-E-H-A-N, but Bahan is the perfect. Bahan. Okay, Bahan also not incorrect. I will not say incorrect.
Okay, for sister it is Bahan.
Okay. Brother, sister. Then third one is to like. This we saw in the other video also.
Yes,
I like to play. I like to play with the tongue. Chahna. C-H-A-H. Chah.
Okay.
Chahna. To like. Now we will go to question. Only one question I have put. Where do you live? Ni enge vasikirai. Where do you live? Ni enge vasikirai எழுதுனாலும் ஓகே தான். நீங்கள் எங்கே வசிக்கிறீர்கள் அப்படி எழுதினாலும் ஓகே தான். With respect நீங்கள் எழுதினாலும் ஓகே. அல்லது equal age or smaller age. Where do you live? நீ எங்கே வசிக்கிறாய் அது எழுதினாலும் ஓகே.
आप कहाँ रहे हैं.
रहते हैं. Okay, that is correct.
तुम कहाँ रहता हो?
No, रहते हो.
Okay, sir.
कहाँ
Kindly
रहता
change.
is not correct. They have to correct it as रहते.
Okay, please correct.
तुम रहते हो. Otherwise, आप रहते हैं. Means where that word is कहाँ. आप कहाँ रहते हैं. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. तुम हो. आप हैं. कहाँ is the main word, question word. Where. कह हा, that half circle, Chandra Bindu, then dot. Kah, ha, and above that dot is. So in English, when you write K-H-A-N, kahan. So that's why English will not be perfect pronunciation. It will be near about. If you are writing K-H-A-N, it will be kahan. Whereas it is not kahan, it is kahan. Kahan. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. ठीक है. We'll move on to the next question.
सर आप किधर रहते हो?
आप किधर रहते हो नहीं, आप किधर रहते हैं.
Okay, sir.
That Anil was explaining very clearly. Dadima Haim, with respect, H-A-I-N. आप किधर रहते हो is colloquially spoken, people use this. Okay, but when you are writing a grammatically perfect sentence, you have to write Haim. Let's say that on the road you just want to talk, आप कहाँ रहते हो? We can ask. That is not prohibited. But it is not a written form, it is not the perfect way. இப்போ நீ எங்கே போறா அப்படின்னு தமிழில் கேட்குறோம். ஆனால் நீ எங்கே போறான்னு எழுதுனாக்கி தமிழ் டீச்சர் வந்து மார்க் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. எங்கே போகிறாய் அப்படிதான் எழுதணும். எங்கே போறா அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்கி சொல் வழக்கில் ஓகே. Colloquially, when you talk, those things are acceptable, but not in the written form, in the perfect language written form. Okay, when you are writing a story, you can write like that, but not in the proper language. So you bring the book, order or request. You bring the book. See, normally we will.
तुम किताब लाओ, sir.
तुम किताब लाओ is perfect.
Okay.
They can use आप also. आप किताब, that time the लाओ will change. Anybody has tried? आप?
Yes, sir.
Nobody has
आप
tried?
किताब लाओ.
No, आप किताब लाओ नहीं.
Yes, sir.
See, तुम खाओ, आप खाइए. तुम बैठो, आप बैठिए. तुम दौड़ो, आप दौड़िए. So like that, for bringing, how will you say? आप किताब. Anybody has attempted आप किताब?
आप
Other than आप किताब?
लाइए.
Perfect. आप किताब लाइए is the perfect way. Now let us move to the next sixth question. You don't laugh. नी सिरिकादे.
तुम मत हंसे.
तुम मत हंसो.
हंसो. अमु हंसो माँ.
तुम मत हंसो. आप मत. Same way. लाइए book के अंदर चला हमारे similar way for English. Don't laugh. You don't laugh. With respect, if you want to say, आप मत क्या बोलना है? What should we say? என்ன சொல்ல வேண்டும்? Laugh is hangsna. Hangsna. Hings is sa na hangsna. Hanso.
आप मत हमसे ये, sir.
हाँ हमसिए. आप मत हमसिए. आप मत हमसिए is perfect. Hansika, all of you know, one actress is an Hansika. So that Hans.
For participants, message பார்த்துட்டு அவங்கள பார்த்து நீங்க டைப் பண்ணாதீங்க. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுதோ டைப் பண்ணுங்க, because I get similar messages.
Correct, correct. They should, each one of you should independently write whether it is correct or wrong. Don't do it. You can correct later on.
So otherwise, இப்போ oral quiz-னா I can unmute all. இப்போ raise பண்ணீங்கன்னா கூட நான் நீங்க வாய்ஸா கூட சொல்லலாம். So அதுக்காக don't similar message இது பண்ணாதீங்க.
think and write. Perfect.
Yes.
So simple present tense, right from day one we are learning. So I have just added one more word, that is mango. I sell, everybody can sell. Sell, yesterday we learned the word. Buy and sell, we learned the new words. So I have used that word. Also we have used the mango long before the words we have learned. So I sell mangoes. Girl differently she will write, boy she will write differently. I sell mangoes is girl has to write whatever girl has to say, boy has to write whatever boy has to say. And simple present tense.
Main betta hoon for boy, sir.
Okay.
Main besti hoon for girl அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
Correct. Perfect.
Okay.
It's perfect. Then now you learn Hindi. This also I can tell this to girl differently, to boy differently. I will tell to a girl differently, to a boy I will tell differently. So you learn Hindi. For boy what should we say? For girl what should we say? நீ இந்தி படிக்கிறாய், நீங்கள் இந்தி படிக்கிறீர்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். So on
Hindi seek rahi hoon for girl, sir.
no, that is rahi வந்து only in continuous tense it will come.
Okay, sir.
See that is that my father is working, like that. So raha rahe rahi is meant for continuous present continuous tense. And simple present tense, मैं आता हूँ, तुम आते हो, वह आता है, वे आते हैं. That is the method for simple present tense.
तुम हिंदी सीख रहा हो. Don't
No,
repeat.
raha has become a present continuous tense.
So participants time எடுத்து கூட டைப் பண்ணுங்க.
See, you learn Hindi. See, I come, like that you learn. First you think about you learn. Then Hindi where you have to put, that you can put later. Which it has to put in the different place. First you decide in your mind, you learn. How to say you learn?
आप हिंदी सीखती हैं.
आप हिंदी सीखती
हैं.
हैं. आप हिंदी सीखती हैं is correct only for a female.
Sabarish வந்து for padna learn to padnan போட்டுருக்காங்க. Speak
Learn padna also I can use. That is also is so correct only. Padna seekhna is both acceptable.
तुम हिंदी सीखना.
Though perfect, see perfect word is seekhna is perfect word, but padna also acceptable word. But the main thing is you learn how to say that you should know. See, whether you learn Hindi, you learn maths, you may learn anything, that is simpler that to add that new word. But you learn, that has to be very crystal clearly you have to remember. How to say you learn, you go, you run.
तुम सीखता हूँ, तुम सीखती हो.
तुम सीखती हो is right. तुम अगला हिंदी है just add तुम हिंदी सीखती हो. This is for a girl. तुम हिंदी सीखती हो. And what about for a boy?
For boy also they were meaning for same, I think.
No, तुम हिंदी
आप हिंदी सीख हूँ போட்டுருக்காங்க.
रहा வரக்கூடாது, ஹூ வரக்கூடாது. हो வரணும். If it is you, तुम हो, आप हाइम, हाई HAIM, हाइम. Okay, तुम हिंदी सीखते हो. That is a proper way of saying for a boy. तुम हिंदी सीखते हो. And for a girl, तुम हिंदी सीखती हो. If you want to use आप हिंदी सीखते हैं for male, आप हिंदी सीखती हैं for female. Okay, so present tense simple you have to differentiate, and present tense continuous you have to differentiate. Now வருகிறேன் is different, நான் வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறேன் is different. Okay, now we will move to present continuous tense where raha rahe rahi will have to be used. That is the indication of continuous tense. And in English, that is word will be coming. I am working, or my father is working. That is a continuous tense. So ninth question is, my father is working. Because we have learnt yesterday father. So my, you have to use the word mera. Okay, mera for male, Mary for female. That boy also explained in his video. For a lady, you know, for a grandson and grandchildren, pyare and pyari, like that he was explaining. Pyare means lovely child or dear child. For a boy, pyari is for a niece, girl. So like that, my father and Mere, like that it will come. My sister, Mary. So my father is working. Working we have learnt yesterday. Father also we learnt yesterday. Sister we learnt yesterday. Mere
पिता काम करता है.
मेरा
पिता काम करता है इनको बताऊंगा.
काम करते हैं, because पिताजी we have to give respect. Like दादी माँ, he was giving respect. स्वेटर पहन रही है, बन रही है.
मेरा
So मेरे पिता और मेरा पिता काम कर रहे हैं. With respect, you have to say. Okay.
Yes,
And now my sister is playing. So my sister could be younger sister or elder sister. You can give with respect or without respect. Both are acceptable. My sister is playing.
मेरा बहन.
मेरी बहन. Okay. मेरे पिता. Okay. But I am telling again, Mary. In that video also you were saying, no, for a grandchild, girl, Mary, Pyari, like that it will come. The same way here, Mary Bahan. My sister is Mary Bahan. Okay, balance you can tell.
मेरी बहन खेल रही है.
खेल रही है. खेल रहा will not come. Raha is for a boy.
रहे हैं. They were using different words.
Okay. Correct. So all of you please note down. मेरी बहन खेल रही है. Okay, equal age or smaller age. Okay, मेरी बहन खेल रही है. Then we will go to future tense. You will ask. It is a simple. I am not adding any new words. Ask yesterday we learned, that is the only new word. Otherwise, you will ask is a normal method. You will ask me and all those things. I am not adding those difficult. I have made it easy. You will ask. You will ask.
तुम पूछना.
तुम पूछना is a very colloquial.
तुम पूछूंगा.
See, you will come is तुम आओगे, मैं आऊंगा, वह आएगी, वे आएंगे. This is the method we have learned the future tense. मैं आऊंगा और मैं पढ़ूंगा, तुम पढ़ोगे, वह पढ़ेगी, वह पढ़ेगा, पढ़ेगी, वे पढ़ेंगे. This is the format of future tense. So now you have to use those format and write you will ask.
तुम पूछोगी सर.
तुम
पूछोगी.
पूछोगी नहीं, पूछोगी. Okay, the for a girl. And for a boy, तुम पूछेगा. Sorry, तुम पूछोगे. तुम पूछोगे for boy, तुम पूछोगी for girl. And I will tell. I will tell. Tell also yesterday we learnt the word. But even if the near about word you are using, I have no problem. Any word you can use. I will tell. Simple. मैं पढ़ूंगा, मैं आऊंगा. In that pattern it will come. I will tell.
मैं बोलूंगा, मैं
Okay. मैं बोलूंगा also acceptable.
मैं बताऊंगा,
मैं बताऊंगा is the most perfect word. मैं बताऊंगा. It's perfect. Most perfect. मैं बोलूंगा also okay. मैं कहूंगा also okay. Okay. मैं बताऊंगा is perfect. You will ask me, I will tell you. So तुम पूछोगे, मैं बताऊंगा. Okay. Now another 3 words in the numbers, very simple. 5, 9, 10. You can quickly tell 5, 9 and 10.
5, 9, 10.
Very good. Okay. Now we will move on. So this is revision. Ma, mother, amma. Bap, father, appa. Mata, mother, amma. Pita, father, appa. Bai, brother, sahodaran. Bahan, sister, sahodari. Beta, son, mahan. Beti, daughter, mahan. Say, from இருந்து, கேலியே for இக்காக, के पहले before that, के बाद after that. These are the new words. Yesterday we learned new verbs. खरीदना to buy, बेचना to sell, விக்கிறது, पूछना to ask, கேட்கிறது, बताना to tell, சொல்லுதல். Now right now this पूछना and बताना only I had given the quiz. चाहना also today we have learned to like, விரும்புதல், देना to give, கொடுத்தல், काम करना also I had asked in the my father is working, काम करना to work, வேலை செய்தல், खेलना to play, விளையாடுதல், that also I had asked, sister is playing, याद करना, since it was little difficult for you to याद करना, I didn't ask in the quiz. याद करना to remember, நினைவில் வைத்தல், हंसना to laugh, சிரித்தல், don't laugh I had given you. ठीक है? So these are the 10 verbs. Once again, I'll read all the 10 only in Hindi. खरीदना, बेचना, पूछना, बताना, चाहना, देना, काम करना, खेलना, याद करना, हंसना. खरीदना, बेचना, पूछना, बताना, चाहना, देना, काम करना, खेलना, याद करना, हंसना. Okay. Now today, these last 2 days I was thinking I will teach you the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I am not going to teach you during this 30 day all 100 numbers, because it will become very difficult for young children who is in the 2nd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard, 4th grade, all those things. If I am going to tell up to 100 number you learn, it will be difficult, and it is not that important compared to many other verbs and other sentence construction. So now still we will have to learn past tense, we have to learn. We have to make all of you very thorough with present tense, continuous tense, future tense, order, request, and certain new words are also there, like chahiye, then certain new rules are there in past tense. So we have sufficient items to learn. So we will not learn all the numbers. These big numbers only you learn: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So 1 to 10 already you have learned. So now 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, today I will teach you. 20 is bees, 10 bees. 30 is tees. Teen has been teen. You remember a T, same word. Tees. 4 you will say char, 40 you will say charlies. Bees, tees, charlies. 5 you will say panch, 50 you will say pachas. 6 you will say che, 60 you will say sat. Okay, the letter is different. Charlies, 30, 50, the first letters look similar, whereas 60, che is different cha, sat is sa. 60 is sat. 70 is sattar. 7 is sat, 70 is sattar. 8 is art, 8 is assi. Is half sa, then see assi. 9 is now, 90 is nabbe. Na ib, half ba, then be, nabbe. Then 100 is sau. 100 if you want to say ek sau. 100 if you want to say sau. I'll read again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. So these are the 10 new numbers we are learning today. And during this course, this much only on numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. So you have to pronounce also. You should also learn how to write it also. Then another 4, 5 colors also today we are learning new. First one is red color, lal, la, la, lal. Okay, lal, red. Then blue color, in Tamil also we say uda, blue, neelam, neelavannam. Same way Hindi also neela, lal, neela, neela, neela. Then yellow, peela, peela, yellow. Green, hara, 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 hara. Harek, like that we learned the same ra. Instead of ra, it will become ra, hara. Black, kala. Rajinikanth padam paathirupeenga. Rajini movie, there was a kala movie, right? Kala. So the same kala. Kala. Kala is black. Then white is safed. Safed. Safed is white. So lal, neela, pila, hara, kala, safed. Lal, neela, pila, hara, kala, safed. So these are the 2 new lessons for today. We are coming to the end of the class. So homework, please note down the homework. 3 family relatives words, that is mata, pita, bahan, bai, beta, beti. Out of that, any 3 words you can write with meaning in English or Tamil. I think all of you are writing in English only. Tamil, I think I need not say about. So 3 family relatives name means words you write in Hindi with meaning. Then 1 sentence in simple present tense, 2 sentences in present continuous, and 2 sentences in future tense. So total 5 sentences in tenses: simple present tense, present continuous, and future tense. 5 sentences, and 2 sentences in order or negative order. So that means 5 plus 2, 7 sentences and 3 words, 10. So you put the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that when I am writing the comment, I can put there. Otherwise, sometimes if you are writing here 1, again 2, then confusion will be there. So I can straight away write that, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, this is a correction. Like that I will be able to say. So 1 to 10 you put serially and write this in this order, so that when I am reviewing this, I will be able to give a feedback to you correctly, and you will be able to easily understand for which sentence I have given my comment. So this is a homework. This is my contact always there. Dhanyavad for the day. Now we will go back to.
Sir, what's the homework, 17 or 16, sir?
1 second. What I have written today is 17th. Yes. Date I have to change it. Yes.
Okay.
So because of the lockdown, even dates sometimes very difficult to remember.
Yes, sir. Due to lockdown, net take கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது.
So corrected one. Okay. Homework is corrected.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. Now we will go back to doubts, clarifications. Today, what was the strength? Today, less strength is there. Tomorrow, no class. Okay. All Thursdays, we will have break or holidays. Tomorrow, no class. So what was the peak strength, Bhavya?
Today peak strength is 42, but now it's 34, sir.
Now 34 only is there, yes. So, like yesterday there were more than 50, right? Today it's less.
Yes, sir, I don't know what is the problem.
Yeah, in fact, I wanted them to mention in your feedback form so that, you know, what is the challenge, at least we'll understand that, okay, they have an office, they have a, you know, school work, they have what it is.
Okay, I will unmute all. You can ask the doubts. Sabarish wants to speak, sir.
Yes, yes, I want them also to speak.
Sabarish, you can speak now.
Thursday, no class. Friday, we'll have at 4 o'clock as usual. Okay. Friday to Wednesday, 6 days a week, we'll have a regular class. Now, I think with this, we are completing the 2 weeks. Total, our duration will be 5 weeks. So, 3 more weeks are there. All the 3 more weeks, 6 days will work, and 1 day we'll have holiday for all of you. Okay. So that you can review that during the week, what all have learned, and you will have little extra time for learning, writing, practicing at home, and having any doubts, you can put it in the chat. I mean, in our group also you can put it, and the next day class also you can ask. Homework again, I'll show you. Lawrence.
Okay, Sabarish, I will unmute you. Wait.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll just show her homework once more. Yes, this is the homework. 3 family relatives words, 1 sentence in simple present tense, 2 sentences in present continuous, 2 in future tense, 2 sentences in either order or negative order or a combination. So total 7 sentences, 3 words, total 10. Okay, this will also be posted by Nandini or me on the WhatsApp group. Yes, now Sabresh, you can ask. Sabresh. Sabresh, you can unmute yourself and ask. Yes, Sabresh.
Sir, sir, 20 bees da sir, bees.
Ama bees. 20 on the bees. 30 is trees. Just see again.
Sir,
what a mission we got already.
Sabarish, 20 is bees and 30 is teas.
What a mission.
Pronunciation
இல்ல சார் 20 டீஸ் ன்னு வரஞ்சு.
இல்ல 20 வந்து bees னா 30 வந்து teas. 20 வந்து bees. நம்ம honey bee இருக்குல அந்த bees.
அதான் சார் bees. எனக்கு டீஸ் சொன்ன மாதிரி இருக்கு சார்.
இல்லமா teas வந்து 30. Okay.
Okay sir. 40 can.
Now 24 people are there. Just wait. I'll show you one more. Okay, video another day will show you. No problem. So now question. Anybody else has any other question? What is Charlie?
Premium 10 lens சொல்ல முடியுமா சார்?
10 ல இருந்தா 10 வந்து 10. You want to show the screen? I'll show you the screen and tell again.
Okay sir.
Please.
Ten on the 10, 20 on the 20, 30 30, 40 40, 50 50, 60 60, 70 70, 80 80, 90 90, 100 100, 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Okay, clear? This will also be posted in the group. Yes. Any more questions?
Yes, sir. Arul Nidhi and Satish Kumar has raised their hands.
Okay. You can unmute them.
Okay.
Or ask them to unmute.
Arul Nidhi.
Arul Nidhi, சொல்லுமா. Arul Nidhi, சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
Tomorrow will be a holiday, sir.
ஆமா, ஒரு நாள் ஹாலிடே. எல்லா Thursday உங்களுக்கு லீவ்.
Okay, sir.
சரியா? Okay. And Friday again 4 o'clock. Our regular time, Friday.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
சொல்லுங்க சதீஷ் குமார்.
சார் இது 70 80 90 100 கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா சொல்ல முடியுமா சார் திருப்பி?
ஓகே 70 வந்து 70 ச இத் தல வந்து half த போடணும். இத் த ர 70 இஸ் 70. 80 அ இஸ்ல வந்து half ச போடணும். இஸ் சி 80 80. ந இப்போ வந்து
ஸ்லைடு கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே காட்ட முடியுமா?
ஸ்லைடு காட்டுறேன். ஓகே ஓகே. பாருங்க ச இத்து வந்து அதுல வந்து அந்த தாயில வந்து மேல ஒரு தலை கோடு மாதிரி போட்டாக்கி அது வந்து இத்து த இருக்குல்ல ச தாயில வந்து நீங்க கொஞ்சம் நல்லா மைன்யூட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுல ஒரு கோடு இருக்கும். ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் வந்து அந்த தாயில உள்ள அந்த ஹாஃப் சர்க்கிள் இருக்குல்ல அதுல மேல இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் 70.
சார் இப்ப மேல டாட் வச்சாலும் அது இத்து தான் சார்?
இல்ல டாட் வச்சா அது வந்து இத்து வராது. அது இங்கு இம்மு இல் அந்த மூணுக்கு தான் டாட் வைக்கலாம்.
ஓகே
போர்டு இருந்தா நான் காட்டுறேன். ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். I will show you. I have to go to white board and then show you. Okay, இதை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஒயிட் போர்டில் போட்டு காட்டுறேன். This is okay. We have two method of write. One வந்து it இப்படி half போட்டுட்டு the ra 70. This is also correct, but more popular form sa அப்புறம் வந்து த போட்டுக்கிட்டு இந்த தேயில வந்து இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு லைன் இப்படி மேல ஒரு லைன் போட்டா இது இத்தோ ஆயிடும். ர so this becomes 70. That is 70. ஓகே இத்த கண்டுபிடிச்சு பார்த்துட்டீங்களா? த போட்டு இதுல வந்து ஒரு கோடு இப்படி எடுத்துறணும் அதுக்கு மேல. கிளியரா தெரியுதா?
ஓகே சார் தெரியுது.
இல்லையா? இது 70. இந்த மீனிங் வந்து இது அந்த ஹாஃப் த அந்த ஹாஃப் தைக்கு வந்து இந்த மெத்தட் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஸோ 70 80 and 90.
சார் செம்மலர் கலர் நேம்ஸ் ரிப்பீட் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு கேட்டேன்.
பண்ணலாமே. அந்த ஸ்லைடை காமிச்சே உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். Similar, red வந்து லால், லா ல லால் is red. நீலா is blue, நீல கலர் நீலா. பீலா பீலா வந்து yellow கலர். ஹரா 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 வந்து green கலர். காலா black கலர். காலா வந்து ரஜினிகாந்த் படத்துக்கு ஞாபகம் வச்சுடுங்க, காலா படம். ஸோ black கலர். ஒயிட் வந்து சஃபேத் 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 ஒயிட். लाल नीला पीला हरा काला सफेद. ओके क्लियर? ओके ओके வேற யாரும் வேற ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா? Any more doubt? Anybody else wants to speak? Yes, அருள் செல்வி சொல்லுமா. எல்லாம் புரியுதா?
தேங்க்யூ புரியுது. பட் எனக்கு நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து ஹிந்தி இவங்க கிட்ட லோக்கல் ஆட்கள் ஒர்க்கர்ஸ் கிட்ட கத்துக்கிட்டதால அந்த அந்த ஹிந்தி வந்து நிறைய வருது எனக்கு.
சரி பரவாயில்ல அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்ல.
இப்பதான் அதை கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டே வரேன்.
சரி ஓகே.
தேங்க்யூ நல்லா இருக்கு கிளாஸஸ். ஓகே ஓ நான் இவ்வளவு எல்லாம் தப்பு பண்றேன் இப்படி எல்லாம் தப்பா பேசுறேன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து நல்லா புரியுது.
சரி பரவாயில்ல அது ஒன்றும் பரவாயில்ல. நம்ம வந்து அதான் சொல்லல வட இந்தியாக்காரன் தமிழ் எப்படி பேசுறான்னு நம்ம ஒத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரிதான் வந்து நம்ம வந்து எப்படி ஹிந்தி பேசுறோம் அவங்க ஒத்துக்குவாங்க. அவ்வளவுதான் அது வந்து ஒத்துக்குவாங்க. there is no problem. பட் நம்ம வந்து கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்பரா தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா நம்ம வந்து இப்ப வேற டிராவல் பண்ற இடத்துல அவங்ககிட்டயும் நல்லா ப்ராப்பரா பேசினா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான்.
Thank you so much, Mama. Bye bye.
Welcome. Okay, bye. வேற யார பேசணுமா? Sir, as there are 2 days for completing
Thank you,
homework,
sir.
you can add the numbers and colors also as homework. Nandini. See, what I suggest, let them all practice at home. I am not giving any additional homework. Okay, so that more people I want them to submit. Right now I'm seeing only around 15 people are regularly writing. And if I'm going to add, and more people will, those who have not yet started also, they are not starting. At least 40 people are attending the class. So minimum 30 people should write homework. Then it will be better, whether they have understood, whether it is useful. It is their time also. They are also investing there for 1 hour time in attending the class. So it is better everybody writes the homework.
Okay,
That's the reason I am giving less homework. And still, sometimes up to the class coming, people do submit. So till the last minute. So it's a matter of, half an hour. If they sit there, they can read, understand, and write again. But time availability, the priority changes. Once the class gets over, then other priority comes in the home. That is how it goes. Okay, Ovia, any more questions are there? Or Sendil, you want to say anything? Sendil, anything you want to say?
आज कुछ नहीं है सर, आज कुछ नहीं है. अच्छा दिख रहा आज भी.
ओके,
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद.
ओके, धन्यवाद.
Sir,
ஆலிஸ் ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். ஆலிஸ் என்ன பண்றாரு கேட்டுக்கிறேன். ஆலிஸ் எங்கே காணோம்? இருக்காளே, ஆலிஸ் இருக்கா? ஆலிஸ் உனக்கு புரியுதாம்மா? கொஞ்சம் ஆடியோ வந்து அன்மியூட் பண்ணணுமே ஆலிஸ்க்கு. வீடியோ போடுமா ஆலிஸ் மர்லின்? வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். வீடியோ போடலாமே அங்கே. ஆலிஸ் சொல்றியா? ஆலிஸ் என்னாச்சு? குட் ஈவினிங். நல்லா இருக்கியா ஆலிஸ்? சவுண்ட் போயிடுச்சு அடுக்கல.
இல்ல வெளில போயிட்டாங்க நினைக்கிறேன் சார்.
இல்ல அவங்க வந்து மியூட் பண்ணிருக்கா.
இருக்காங்க சார்.
மியூட் அன்மியூட்ல வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் வருது. she has to correct வந்துடுச்சு. Alice,
yes sir.
How are you?
I fine sir, thank you.
Okay, நல்லா புரியுதா?
Yes sir.
உனக்கு எழுத முடியுதா? Are you able to write?
Yes sir.
Okay, but எழுதி நீ வந்து சப்மிட் பண்ணலையே. ஹோம்வொர்க் சப்மிட் பண்ணனும்.
Okay sir.
So today you have 2 days time for writing homework. So today you write and you will submit in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay sir.
Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.
धन्यवाद sir.
धन्यवाद. Okay, nice. Okay, anybody else? Arunidhi wanted to speak anything?
No sir.
Okay. Akshaya, Princey, anybody wants to speak? Otherwise we can end the meeting.
Galaxy tab rename பண்ணுங்க. வர்ற நேம் சொன்னீங்கன்னா நான் ரீநேம் பண்றேன்.
Galaxy பேர் என்ன? உங்க பேர் என்ன?
ஆரியா சார்.
Galaxy ஆரியாவா?
ஆமா சார். நாளைக்கு என்னோட போன்ல இருந்து லாகின் பண்ணுவேன். இன்னைக்கு வேற போன்ல இருந்து லாகின்.
Okay.
Okay, if any doubts.
Hello.
சொல்லுங்க அக்ஷயா.
Sir, I have one doubt sir.
கேளுங்க.
Sir, இது எல்லாமே நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அனுப்புவீங்களா?
ஆமா.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Generally,
sir.
Nandini posts even before our class gets over. Generally, she posts every day. So I am
Okay,
happy
sir.
about it. Okay, if she has not posted, I will post.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think she has already posted. She has all important things she has posted, including homework and the new things, whatever we learned, everything she has posted.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yes, Ovia?
Sir.
Yeah, we can end the meeting.
Yeah.
10 people are there. There is no questions are coming.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, before 20 to 30 minutes only I attend the class, sir.
Okay.
I have a function at opposite my house.
Okay.
So you send all the notes in the WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, see, other than whatever she Nandini has said, all are old one only. Everything was
Okay,
revision.
sir.
Only whatever new, already Nandini has posted there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can go through all the new items, and it's easy to learn. 2 days are there. You can practice more and more. You write and write, then you will be able to recollect and understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes, Arul Nidhi.
Sir, for oral quiz, நம்ம participants பேச வைக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் sir.
Okay, but யாரும் பேச மாட்டாங்களே.
Because சின்ன சின்ன பசங்க வந்து மெசேஜ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க sir chat boxல நான் இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தேன். So அப்படி பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் sir.
என்ன பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க?
Sir, participants பேச வைக்கலாம் sir. சின்ன சின்ன பசங்க வந்து பேச மாட்டாங்க sir. I mean chatல போட மாட்டாங்க. So அதுக்கு பதிலா அவங்கள பேச வைக்கலாம்.
பேச வைக்கலாம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஆனா உடனே வந்து அவங்க
சார் ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா ஒரு 10 பேர் மட்டும் தான் டெக்ஸ்ட் பண்றாங்க சார் chat boxல.
ஆமா, ஈவன் நம்ம குரூப்லயே அப்படிதான் ஒரு 15 பேர் ரெகுலரா பண்றாங்க. மற்றவங்க எல்லாமே சைலண்ட் பார்ட்டிசிபெண்டா தான் இருக்காங்க.
இன்டராக்டிவா பண்ணலாம் சார். ஏன்னா சின்ன பசங்க அவங்க டைப் பண்றாங்களா இல்லையான்னு கூட எனக்கு தெரியல சார்.
ஓகே, அதாவது இந்த இதுக்கு குயிஸ் வந்து இன்டராக்டிவா வைக்கலாம்னு சொல்றீங்களா?
எஸ் சார், இன்டராக்டிவா வைக்கலாம் சார். எல்லாருமே ஆன்சர் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அப்புறம் எப்படி ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்றது, அவங்க எப்படி ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்றதையும் நோட் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, we can attempt. There is no problem, but time also will take more. See, suppose the typing on this simultaneously 5 people can type, but speaking on the 1 person at a time. So 5 people, if you want to listen, it will take 5 minutes extra. So each word, suppose if you are to hear 10 words or 10 sentences, and then that will take more than half an hour minimum for that interaction. So we have to.
We can try, sir.
We can try for 2-3 people. You know, see, they have to be very fast. If you now, right now also, when we are so free, that time also to unmute, then come to the audio, video, and then speak. It takes a lot of time. Just to ask, how are you? Whether you understood, like this. So we can make an attempt, but I'm not very sure whether they will be so alert quickly to see, because the normal process is they have to raise the hand, whoever wants to speak. Then you can immediately unmute them and they can speak instantly. But raising the hand,
அப்படி பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா நான் allow பண்ணிடுறேன் சார். quiz time மட்டும் allow பண்ணிடுறேன் சார்.
Okay, அதுவும் பண்ணலாம், but they can unmute and talk. That is also fine. But same time la 3-4 பேர் பண்ணாங்கன்னா it will be chaos. So one at a time they have to unmute. Other people have to be muted. Okay, we will try. There is no problem.
Try at weekends. ஏன்னா கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா 10 பேர் தான் சார் மெசேஜ் பண்றாங்க. சோ அதனால கிளாஸ் எப்படி போகுதுன்றதே தெரியல.
See, even in this also group also, the homework is submitted by around 1 day. I listed out also. Even that quiz when we written also, it was about 15 people had submitted.
Yes, sir.
So roughly that is the same number, same set of people are only submitting.
Yes,
the remaining people we have no idea. Participants only 40-50 வராங்க, but what is their objective also not clear. When they are not submitting, what is their objective of attending? Whether either they are know everything, so they think that what is being taught is very elementary. That's why they don't feel like writing. That is one way. Otherwise, they are not able to understand to write, or they don't give that much importance to sit and write at home. So all these things are there. Dhanyavad.
Okay.
So that's why they have to be frankly telling whatsoever is their problem. But
Yes, sir. We can make an interactive
maybe,
session for
maybe tomorrow we'll do it. Tomorrow means the next class, means day after tomorrow. We can ask them that what is the reason you all tell. 100 plus is there in group, 40 to 50 are attending, 15 to 20 are submitting. So that is the status.
Okay, sir. I just post.
See, once all of them are completed, or either here or on the phone, I will speak to you something.
Okay, sir. I asked. நேற்று வாட்ஸ்அப் அன்இன்ஸ்டால் ஆயிடுச்சு சார், அதனால எனக்கு எதுவுமே ஆகல. ஸோ ஐம் சாரி சார்.
இல்லை பரவாயில்ல, அதில் ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே, நான் மீட்டிங்
4 பேர் தான் இருக்காங்க. ஒன்லி அக்ஷயா, நந்தினி, யூ அண்ட் மீ. ஒன்லி 4 of us are there. Yeah, Nandini, you want to say anything? Nandini?
She is not there.
No, she is there. Nandini is there. And Akshaya is there.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, you send some registration form.
யார் பேச? அக்ஷயாவா? இந்த ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நம்ம அந்த குரூப்லயே இருக்குது.
அதான் சார், அது பண்ணிட்டு அனுப்பணுமா சார்?
அனுப்ப வேண்டியது இல்லை. அதுல வந்து ஆன்லைன்ல நீங்க ஃபில் அப் பண்ண வேண்டியது. அவங்க நேம், அட்ரஸ், ஃபோன் நம்பர், இமெயில், அந்த மாதிரி அட்ரஸ்.
அது எதுக்கு சார்?
அது வந்து say we will come to know who are all there attending the class, and for future if anything is there we will be able to contact all of you.
Okay sir.
So that is the idea of registration.
Okay sir.
See, it is not like a public meeting. Yeah, road level public meeting, but anybody can come and go. But this is a private meeting, so who all are attending we should know.
Okay sir.
Okay, so you can make the registration. In fact, originally we wanted everybody to register, and only to the registered participant we wanted to add. But in between, once we started the class, some people are requesting my friend, my know this person. So we added in the group first, allowed them inside the class, and then parallelly we asked the people to register them.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Okay sir.
So if you are not registered, you can register.
So thank you sir.